Hey guys, just to let you know, I'm okay after landing on the Cactus Desert. I wasn't burnt up. It was a long walk back. Well, see ya, bye. Hey everyone, Malachi here, and today I'm going to be experimenting paper airplanes. Are you kidding me? It worked very well last time. This next airplane is where I critically messed up on. Saw that coming. Terrible. Here's the next paper airplane. Wow, that's the first time it ever went good. This one that I kind of worked on. That's very useless. Last one. Decent, but not good enough. Ugh, what an experiment. But my favorite paper airplane is Paper Airplane 3. Thanks for watching! Gosh, I couldn't hold my arm up for much longer.